Today's fall collection recipe is green bean casserole, and this one goes on like a dream with full coverage and 2 quick coats. For this recipe, we're mixing together a ½ teaspoon universal white, 1 tablespoon of bright tone or extreme protection, and then adding 8 drops number 3, 10 drops number 4, 2 drops number 5, and 8 drops number 6. You're going to want to mix this one for a solid minute or two to make sure you totally incorporate the different color pigments we're using, and make sure to scrape up the sides and the bottom to get all of the white mixed in as well. Start with a medium gray base, just 1 coat with some universal white and number 8 pigment, or the grunge gray Flippin' Awesome will work. Apply with a soft bristled blush brush while your cup is spinning, working quickly to spread it around the cup, and then let it spin for an hour to allow it to dry and self-level. Then you can move it to a dry rack and give each coat 4 hours to dry total before adding another. This is after the first coat has dried, and it's absolutely enough coverage to start in with your glitter. But it's a bit streaky for solid coverage, so let's add a second coat. Same process as our first. Apply, let spin for an hour, and then dry for another 3 hours. Green bean casserole just happens to be my second favorite Thanksgiving side dish. Stuffing, naturally number 1, and this color really reminds me of fresh green beans. After just 2 coats, we've got smooth, solid coverage, and we're ready to move on with our cup design. I've got our next recipe, Blueberry Crisp, ready to go out tomorrow, and I'm already working on a Christmas collection, including some shiny metallics, so make sure you hit that follow button.